Well, after church, my wife was doing some painting out in the garage for the neighbor. She's having a baby, and so I decided I'd go ahead and get a little bit of work done on this. So I've got the second set of cables run to the inverter now, and they're on the leftmost fitting and the rightmost fitting. That's the previous inverter cables I had hooked up for testing. I cut them off and re-terminated with new connections. I've got double connections on the positive and negative on the inverter, and they're going to run from the inverter and up inside the cabinet, and the positive cable is going to come across the back here and tie into the fuse block there, and then I'll bring the negative cable up around through and connect it up to the battery. Right now I don't have a shut off for it, so I'll have to get a second set of second shut off switch for this battery bank. So for now, the means of disconnecting it is I'll remove the fuse whenever I'm done testing. So my plan is to hopefully this evening power the inverter up with this small set of batteries and make sure it seems to work fine. Well, this is the battery backup system. Finally finished wiring the second shelf, so you can see what the progress is so far. I still need to get a shut-off switch for that second level of batteries. But here you can see the Hysincere batteries are now wired in, and the cables run across and come down underneath the shelf and go out through the conduit feed-throughs that I put in out of the metal case, and then go up into the inverter and tie in together there. So that's where the two battery banks parallel, actually right at the inverter itself. So I have the Victron mega fuse holder and ceramic fuse installed on there, and a battery shut-off switch for the big battery bank. And I also have a Victron mega fuse holder with the ceramic fuse installed for this smaller battery bank as well. But like I said, I still need to order a shut-off switch for it. But so far, right now, the big battery bank is shut off. You can see the switch is still in the off position. And I've already pre-charged the capacitors. And so the inverter fires up, no problem, off of the 100 amp hour battery bank now. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be able to go ahead and do a little bit of testing after I take care of some business. So, but I appreciate everybody following along, and there'll be obviously continuous updates and some other testing I do, and we'll see what changes I make. But be interesting to see how the two banks work in parallel together once I start doing that testing. But like I said, I appreciate everybody's comments and feedback, and also all the guidance and examples that you've all provided before. So this is my first system to put together. So thanks a lot. You have a good night.